Yo, 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 what's going on out there, you guys? Man, it's your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson here, man. Shooting another quick video for you guys, man. This is video 2, man, of the W-4 training, man, the W-4 tax withholding training. And I was going to get straight into the questions, man. But I think I wanted to go one step further for you guys, man, just so you guys can get this and understand this. I don't know at this point in moment if you'll have to skip this video or if you need to go straight to it, but I'm pretty sure this one will just be kind of on the IRS calculator and how that works, kind of going through it with you and showing you this. So, without further ado, you should have the 2019 W4 paper. You should have this printed out by now. If you do not have this printed out by now, you are still all right, because we're not going to answer questions until the next video. But this one right here, I want to put strictly on the IRS calculator. Okay, basically what the IRS calculator is, it's the calculator you use to basically see what should be a good number for you on getting your taxes taken out. I have not used this before. This will be my first time using the calculator, just kind of because I know my numbers and I know what I write off for my lifestyle, because I write my lifestyle off. I write off half of my rent. I write off my internet bill, cell phone bill. I write off my rims I got for my company car, my computer, my camera. About anything I go out and buy that has to do with me shooting videos or taking myself further, I write off on my taxes because it is a business expense. So when I make this is a quick example. I don't know if y'all here yet, but let's say I make $40,000 for the year in my business, okay, and that's not hard to do. That's like a business manager at IHOP. That would be kind of their income, maybe a Rally's assistant manager. This would kind of be their income in the 40,000 range. It might be higher now. I don't know. I didn't make it to that level in the job world, but anyway, you make 40,000, but in your write-offs, in your expenses for the year, it's 20,000. So the IRS will only tax me on 20,000 instead of 40,000, because the other 40,000 was all business bills. So I don't know if you know how that works, but that's kind of how the IRS works. But anyway, back into this video, man. So what we have today is, how do you get access to the IRS calculator? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to type in your year, IRS calculator. So 2019 IRS calculator is what we got. And remember, like I said, when you're doing this stuff, you want to look for websites like www.irs.gov. That's how you know you're in the actual site, because there's so many other sites that I'm not saying they're not legit, but I'm saying, boy, they'll tax you on anything. You know what I'm saying? And you don't want to go that far. So let's just keep it, moderate. Keep it where we know it's real and true at, and that's irs.gov. So what we have here is some instructions. The IRS encourages everyone to use the withholding calculation to perform a quick paycheck checkup. This is even more important following the recent changes to the tax laws for 2018 and beyond. The calculator helps you identify your tax withholding to make sure you have the right amount of tax withheld for your paychecks at work. There are several reasons to check your withholding. Checking your withholding can help you protect against having too little tax withheld and facing an unexpected tax bill or penalty at tax time year. That's when you have to pay the IRS some money because you made too much for the year. so you pay too little taxes. Taxes. It's just funny to me because really taxes are a joke to me, but they're so important to all of us. They really are. I play GTA 5 online a lot, and my favorite shirt on there is a shirt from the Arena Awards. It says "Freedom isn't free" on the front, and on the back it says "Taxes are bullshit." I love that shirt. I never take it off. But anyway, back on here. So the next one says, at the same time with the average refund topping 2,800, they just saying that's what the average refund is for an average person. You may prefer to have less taxes withheld up front and receive more in your paycheck. Okay. If you are getting $5,000 tax checks, $3,000 tax checks, 1,600 tax checks, you might feel like that kind of money could help me now. Like, I need that now. I mean, there's some people, I guess for some reason a lot of people feel like they enjoy the tax check, and I guess you can. But a lot of us need that money up front. That's why we're dealing with credit cards and things that lead to other debt. Loans and things of that nature. Well, let's keep going. If you are an employee, the withholding calculator helps you determine whether you need to give your employer a new W-4 form. Employees withholding allowance certificate, that's what it is. You can use your results from the calculator to help you fill out the form and adjust your income tax withholding. That's what we're doing right now for y'all. We're trying to adjust your income tax withholding. If you receive pension income, you can use the results from the calculator to complete the W-4P and give it to your payer. Okay, we are not no pension income holders right now, so that don't mean nothing for us. So let's go down here to withholding calculator. So you click on that, you guys, and all you do right here, as you can see, is 5 pages. All you do here is you answer your answers according to you, not according to me, according to you. And then when you answer it according to you, you'll get your results at the end, and from there you go from there. So I don't really want to keep you guys on here too long. I guess I'm going to spend the next time just kind of answering this for me. But in the meantime, what you guys need to do is print off that W-4 form from the website if you haven't yet. And try this withholding calculator just to see what your results are. And then in the next video, we'll get into filling out your form, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's just putting the right numbers and the right answers, and then answering this next part. Answering this next part on page 3 and 4 that have to do with what happens when you own a business. See, I want to show you the beauty of having a business, and I don't want you guys to get all in left field and thinking you need a fancy building or you need to think real hard about the name or thing. No, we provide you with a business. This stuff I'm teaching you, this is my business. This is what I'm doing. Not to mention the stuff you see on YouTube with my game videos, with my motivational speaking. All that stuff is my business. It's nothing to get on here, get a tax ID number. The benefits are so much beautiful. So like I said, I'm going to continue to adjust this with you to help you out with this. But you guys need a business, and if you are interested in making more money, what I want you to do is just in the comments below, I just want you to put I am interested in making money, and I wanted to show you guys the business you can add to what you're already doing that will help add money back into your household doing what you already do anyway, which is work and pay bills. Work and pay bills. We want to build you wealth, man. Wealth whispers. Remember that, man. So, this was just my quick video. I'm just going to answer the questions as we on here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Select the total number of jobs in which you and your spouse are currently or will be employed. 2. Check if you or your spouse held a job this year but are no longer employed at that job. You and your spouse contribute to a tax-deferred retirement. Oh, that's another thing, you guys. When you're reading these on the calculator, if you do not understand what it is talking about, you simply click the hyperlink. It's going to pull you up some little notes right there in the corner, and it's going to tell you what that is. See, tax deferred retirement plan. Amounts that you may enter include payroll deductions, deductions to the following retirement plan. And then it got retirement plans, 401ks or 403 plan, but not Roth plans. You see what I'm saying? So they got all the information on here. If you still need additional help, feel free to message me. Feel free to get in contact with me and ask me anything, man. I want to help. I want to help at least 50 people this year try to get as much money back as they can. I mean, we are just on the surface, I'm in a company called My Econ, and it stands for My Economy. Like, there's an econ class you take in high school. Well, this is like econ, but on steroids. It helps you out with the now. Don't give you examples of other things. It gives you examples of your life. But with my econ, there's just so much ice we still gotta break, man. I really lost my train of thought. What was I telling you guys, man? Something about my econ. It's just, a lot of now information that they give you that will help you get back your money. Half of the problem with people wanting to become millionaires or wanting to make a lot of money is they don't even focus on taxes. And if you only knew how much money the government takes from you, and from a regular, how can I put this, just a regular employee, no business owner, you guys get the worst of the worst. I mean, you guys get done bad. I mean, grocery stores, any business you name, which is dang near everything you want to do out here, hobbies, talking on the phone, exercising, out to eat, groceries, electric bill, any of those things. When their business gets taxed, they throw the tax on their customers. Oh, this person who's gonna pay this, who's gonna buy this, is not gonna trip that this went up $1.19. It's not gonna trip next year when it's up to $1.25. It's not gonna trip the next year when it's up to $1.50. But yes, because a regular employee does not get that money back at the end of the year. But a business owner does, my friend. A business owner does. Heck, you could, and I'm not saying this for everybody, disclaimer, because I gotta say this or I get sued. But you not going to, you can fill this out, get more money back, and still get an income tax check at the end of the year if you know what you're doing and you're knowledgeable. Knowledge on this stuff is power. Why wouldn't it be? Everybody has to do it. But I'm out of time, you guys, man. This your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson, man. Nice talking to you guys again, and I catch you guys on the other side. Remember, man, wealth whispers, man. Talk to you guys later. I'm out.